Welcome to my channel, friends. How are you? Friends, the living room is the heart of any home where families gather, friends socialize, and memories are made. So, in this video, we will showcase some truly unique living room ideas that will elevate your space from ordinary to extraordinary. Friends, not only are these ideas visually stunning, but they are also incredibly useful. From space saving furniture arrangements to clever storage solutions, these ideas are practical and easy for you to try in your own home. Friends, please like my video and subscribe my channel, and if you want to receive such videos, then press the bell icon that you can receive my new video notification. Friends, these ideas are very amazing and beautiful. These ideas are unique and brilliant. You can apply these ideas in their living rooms freely. Please share these ideas to your friends and relatives who are interested in such ideas. Friends, the modern living room has become a canvas for creativity and innovation in interior design. With any array of elements and arrangements to choose from, each idea presents a unique perspective to on how to transform this space into a hub of comfort, style, and functionality. From minimalistic to electric charm, there there is something to suit every taste and preferences. One of the most striking aspects of these modern living room ideas is the emphasis on versatility. With wonderful furniture placement, multifunctional pieces, and creative use of space, these designs create to the diverse needs of contemporary living. Whether it is hosting a lovely gathering with friends or unwinding after a long day, these living rooms effortlessly adapt to any occasion. Moreover, the fusion of different design elements adds depth and character to these spaces. From sleek lines and geometric patterns to natural textures and bold pops of color, each detail contributes to the overall ambience, creating a harmonious blend of style and substance. In this attention to detail that sets these modern living room ideas apart, transforming them from mere spaces into immersive experiences. But perhaps what truly makes these ideas stand out in their accessibility. While they exude an air of sophistication, they remain approachable and adaptable, allowing homeowners to personalize their living space according to their tastes and preferences. Whether you are a fan of contemporary elegance or bohemian charm, there is no shortage of inspiration to draw for. In conclusion, modern living room ideas offer a captivating glimpse into the ever evolving world of interior design. With their innovative concepts, versatile arrangements, and accessible appeal, they empower homeowners to their living space and create environments that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing.